So, I'm just walking through the field, trying to get to the forest. What a day. Oh, snow down my back, baby. Oh God, that's cold. Oh, should have done that from the go. Okay. How's the fire, bro?
It's amazing.
Glad to hear. So, buddy, what do we have to say?
Great hike, had a nice little fire. Now we're heading back.
Beauty stuff. We had a few hours of some fun. Now we got the snowshoes back on, if you could see them, and we're gonna hike back through the field. So let's make our way and enjoy this beautiful walk as the sun goes down. The field's just right over that little barbed wire fence, and yeah, the forest pretty much ends here. Got some young pines, a little pine stand over there that we got to hike through, but looking forward to come back to these beautiful woods sometime soon.